In Halaxy, medical practitioners can seamlessly issue prescriptions in three ways: paper, electronic or e-scripts, or paper MediSecure. This tutorial is for a paper MediSecure prescription, and it comes in two parts. First, creating the prescription, then publishing and printing it. Let's create the prescription first. In the patient's clinical notes, click Add Order. Here, you will need to fill out some details. For order type, select Prescription. Select the ordering practitioner and enter the order date and time. Then, click Create. You are now back to the clinical notes screen, where your new prescription record is created. Click the Add a Drug button. In this window, you will need to fill out some details. If the drug is subsidized by Medicare or DVA, select PBS/RPBS. If it's not, select Private. Search for the drug name and strength needed. For PBS/RPBS drugs, you must select the specific PBS item. Then, fill out the directions for use. Here, you can complete either Section A or Section B. Just remember that if you are filling out Section A, you must complete all the fields. Fill out the prescription repeats and quantity. Then, complete the prescription notes as needed. Depending on the drug prescribed, some fields in this section may be mandatory. When you are ready, click Save. Your prescription is now ready to be published. Now, we begin the second part, publishing the paper MediSecure prescription. Select the down arrow button and click Publish. Then, click Continue. A window pop-up appears asking for a prescription type. Here, we select Paper MediSecure. In this window, you can review all the prescription details before publishing to MediSecure. Make sure to check that the prescriber details, patient details, and prescription details are all accurate. Once all the details are final, confirm your password, then select Publish. The prescription has now been published to MediSecure. Click the Print button to print the prescription, which comes with a unique barcode. And that is how you create a paper MediSecure prescription on Halaxy.